It's Atla today's video. We got this. Oh my god.
Look at mine.
Okay, actually we don't have this and that. We're gonna paint this chalk.
Hi guys, it's me Hassan.
And because I think we have no white and black, so we got this, the bigger one. And here we're gonna mix the colors and we need this so we won't mess up. Here's the black. Okay. Wait, let me just get it. Here's the takip. We also have mini brush na kasama. Ito kasama. Okay. Kasama. Yan guys. So ganda. Look at this. So we're gonna color them. Thank you for being here. We're gonna have an unboxing.